Hey and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover useful stuff out of an old computer hard drive, such as the one I have here. In order to open these you need special types of screwdrivers. Most commonly they have like a star-shaped end to them, and I'll just focus in on one here. It has a star-shaped screw, and so you need the right type of screwdriver to get hold of it. So I have this one here. You can buy these sets from any hardware store. Take off all of the screws. This is the last screw on this one. When you've taken off all the screws, there's one more screw that's beneath the label that you need to take off. It's usually hidden right there. Once this is off, you should be able to open up the case. Out. Now let's see if we can open up the case, which we can. And there's your hard drive platter. There's your read head. This is like a locking parking device that the thing shuts down. And you've got some really strong magnets here, and you've got a great variable speed motor right here. So I'm going to dismantle this piece by piece, just to show you how I get these parts out. So first of all, we're going to take out the neodymium magnets. And again, you'll need the right type of screwdrivers. Here's another smaller star-shaped screw head. There we go. Okay, let's lift up the magnet. There's two of these magnets here. Here's one of them. These magnets are super strong. Very, very strong neodymium magnets here. Let's get the second one out. In order to get the second magnet out, you're going to have to take out these small screws right here. Then you're going to have to remove this reed head. This needs just a regular screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Here's my magnet. Second one. Now, let's remove the platter. There are 3 screws holding the platter in. Okay, I got that. And this motor is a variable speed motor, and I guess the driver circuitry is in here. So if you can power this thing up, you should be able to run this motor for some useful applications. Here's another one that has 2 platters on it, and here's your driver circuitry right here. Thanks for checking in, and if you like this video, please sub. Looking for more subs. And give me a like if you like this or find it useful, and please check back.